So I checked my email the other day and I had an email from Algo Technologies, and they wanted to know, I get these emails all the time, they want to know if I wanted to receive some product from them to post a review about. I get these all the time. Typically I say no because they don't have anything to do with the channel and what I'm putting forth on the channel, the content. This one was a laser, engraving laser. I didn't know anything about lasers. I have no clue about lasers. I emailed them back and said, you know what, sorry, I've never operated a laser, not interested. They emailed me back the next day and said, our laser is incredibly easy to use, and we would urge you to at least take a look at it and see if it's something you could use in your shop. So I just said, okay, send it to me. You know, I'm not promising I can put out a video. If I like it, I'll put out a video. If not, you know, I'm not going to do it. So they sent me the laser. It came in this box. Box literally says super easy to use. So that was encouraging because I have never even seen a laser work before. To me, lasers were like rocket science. You know, something way over my head. But super easy to use, I'll give it a shot. So let's talk about it. I opened the box up. Here's what it looked like out of the box. I had all the pieces on the table. I got to tell you, it looked a little daunting to me. There was a lot of pieces. I didn't know how they went together. I looked at the manual. It was kind of easy to read. It was all pictures, easy to read. And people that have used lasers before, I am sure they could put it together in about 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Since I had never seen a laser, it took me a little bit longer. About an hour, I guess, put together. Now, before I got the laser, I would put a maker's mark on the bottom of my furniture I made with this. You just heat this as a brass little template here. You heat it with a torch, you press down. Sometimes it was too hot and left it black. Sometimes it wasn't hot enough. Half of it didn't show, half of it was dark. After you do it, you can't go back and reline it, do it again. It's done. So this is pretty unreliable. So I was thinking I would use this laser to make my maker's mark. You never know. I mean, who knows once you start using it what you're going to get into. So I know it will cut and it will also engrave. Let's take a look at it and see what I got after it's put together. And I've already done a couple of test cuts. I'll show you how easy this thing is to operate. It was simple to me. I tell you, I was shocked at how easy it was. So I thought I was going to have to hook this thing to a laptop to use it. You don't have to. They have an interface on the front of this, which I'll be showing you. And you could just plug in a USB card with whatever you want to engrave, and it'll run it from the motherboard on this laser. First thing I did was I took a USB, and I have some logos on my computer. I put some logos on here. First one I ran, quickly found out it cannot have a background on it. It'll just all be dark. So if you do, when you put it on there, the logo I have that gives you various options, one of them is transparent. In other words, the only thing that shows is the outline of your logo. So make sure it's transparent. And also you could put various, I mean, I loaded 4 or 5 of these on here and every one of them will show on the display. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is what it looks like put together. There's the frame. You've got an air hose and a power supply connected right here. Or this is the actual pump and the power supply. Plugged in, of course, right over here. You got one plug. So you got a power supply brick and you got the air pump. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know what it does. I'm assuming it's blowing air. I'm going to check and see a little bit. You and I will find out together. And then we have a couple of just some spare parts, some consumables they send you. This thing here looks like a couple of small condoms. I have no idea what that is for. And I know some people are watching this going, well, you idiot, it's for so-and-so. Well, I am an idiot. I'm a novice. I have never, ever used a laser. First time I've ever seen an engraving laser was this one. So, and I just put it together last night. So let's get at it and see how it works. All right, I put the USB right here on the side. It's inserted. Let me go back. So this comes up on the screen once you press, well, let me go ahead and go back, I'll show you. You press projects. I've got 3 files on there. As you can see, this is my logo, right? And then I've got 2 handcrafted by Steve Sherman logos up here that are just not showing, but this was an actual PNG logo file, so it actually shows the logo on here. Okay, so let's press the logo first. All right, I'm going to press engraving. Now, you see the top here is birch plywood. If I click it, they got basswood plywood, eucalyptus plywood. They just got all kind of different, I don't want that, I want to go back. They got all kind of different, all right, now let's do that again. I'm gonna go back to birch plywood. And here you can see it's very light all the way to very dark. This is where you state how you want it to look. So I'm gonna pick something. I'm just gonna do like that one right there. That's 80% power. I'm gonna confirm it's on quality is high, power is 80%, speed is fast, no border. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, okay. You know what, I might go there a little bit darker. That puts the power still at 80%. All right, now you can see the logo here on the lower right. So you can move it up a little bit. Now that's where it's going to be. So when you move this around, that will be where it's going to be putting the logo. So I'm going to put it back down here. And we're going to press start. Okay, as you can see here, you press finish. Set up a fan blowing out the window to get the smoke out of here. Let's see what it looks like. You know, it looks okay. To me, it's not quite as clear as I want. Let's see what this looks like. See, that says handcrafted by Steve Sherman. Go engraving. Power mode. I'm going to go 100%. Speed, okay. You know what, let's see what it looks like with speed fastest. I'll just go speed fast. Auto parameters. I'm not going to go that dark on this one. I'm going to go right there. It says 60% though. I don't know. Maybe that's all you need. That's 80%. I'm going to confirm. I'm just playing around with it, guys. I have no idea. One pass. High quality. Now, where do I pick the size? I know there's a place to pick the size. After you press processing, Then it takes you to this screen. This is where you can move it around. So I'm going to move it up here, right? And I want it to be, instead of 100 by 50, I want it to be 150. It automatically set it to 75 because that's the way the image is. So it's 150 by 75, quite a bit larger. Let's start. It's putting off more smoke on this, my name down here. I guess because it's a wider print. That's what it looks like. Okay, so here's the first one we did here. You can see it's got a little bit of splatter, I guess. It looks like some smoke or whatever on the outside here. Oh, you know what? Oh, it just rubs right off. Okay. Hey, like I said, I'm a novice. I didn't know it would do that. All right, this is the second one. This is the second one, too light. And this is the one we just did. So I like this one better now that I know you can wipe that off. Okay, guys, that's the Alpha MK2 by Algo Technologies. I am very shocked at how fast. It was literally less than 2 hours from me taking it out of the box to doing my first. This is what we did last night. Less than 2 hours. And I've never even seen a laser before. I'll leave all the information in the description. There'll be pricing, where to buy it, things like that. I tell you, man, for such an inexpensive laser, it is unbelievable how easy it is to use. So that's it. I will see you next week.